It is the position of the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics that an appropriately planned vegan diet is healthful for all stages of life, including pregnancy, lactation, infancy, adolescence, older adulthood, and for athletes.
You can be vegan.
Plant-based diets are more environmentally sustainable than diets rich in animal products because they use fewer natural resources. If you care about the future of the planet and keeping it livable for future generations, it's time to stop consuming meat, dairy, and eggs.
You can be vegan.
People all around the world are vegan. You don't need to eat meat, dairy, or eggs. Vegan foods are not more expensive. You can buy veggies, fruits, nuts, and seeds in bulk. You can live a long, happy, healthy life without being cruel. So why pay for murder if you don't have to?
You can be vegan. Thank you for listening to this melody. Now you know you can be vegan. You'll feel great, you will see. Thank you for listening to this song. If you liked it, click the like button and sing along.
Non aver paura, puoi essere coraggioso, puoi essere vegano da adesso.
Hi. Well, there are a lot of really cruel people on this planet. And some of them work for the meat, dairy, and egg industries, and so they want to try to discredit me. I would never hurt any animals. That's not my account. I am that vegan teacher, and my goal is to save animals. And I hope that you unfollow that person and that you truly try to help me. You know, we all can do either good things while we're alive on the planet, or we can make it worse. And the person who has that fake account is actually causing a lot of harm to the animals. A lot. Because every time that person posts a video, people think it's a big joke to make fun of vegans and the animals that they defend. So I encourage you to be kinder and to be vegan from now on.
Don't be afraid. You can be brave. You can be vegan from now on.
Do you know who Gary Yourofsky is? Try to Google him. He has a really amazing speech that helped to convince me to be vegan. Here's something that he says. The problem is that humans have victimized animals to such a degree that they're not even considered victims. They're not even considered at all. They're nothing. They don't count. They don't matter. They're commodities like TV sets and cell phones. We have actually turned animals into inanimate objects, sandwiches and shoes. You see, the way that we treat animals now has nothing to do with the cycle of life. It's nothing but completely unnatural. Kidnapping, torture, confinement, murder, repeated over and over. Okay, so let me get this straight. You think that you have a right to go into the oceans and hurt the individuals there who have never done a single thing wrong to you ever. And you think that those innocent beings are cruel. What exactly do you think is cruel about a dolphin, or a whale, or a fish? These individuals are just swimming around doing their own thing. What did a turtle ever do to you? Be kinder. Be compassionate. Be vegan. Start now. Follow this channel to learn how.
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray! No, we're not the same person at all. How you can know for sure is go to my YouTube channel, That Vegan Teacher. Look at all the different videos I make there, and look at the ones that I make on this account, Music by That Vegan Teacher. I also have another account called Songs by That Vegan Teacher. Those are my real accounts. I am an animal defender. I would never hurt animals. I don't believe in eating them, wearing them, or using them. The person who is pretending to be me is doing so because they're vegan phobic. They're mean. They're mean to animals. They don't care how much they hurt them, and they don't care how much they hurt animal defenders. Imagine if somebody took your image and distorted it. How would you feel if somebody pretended that you were hurting animals? I don't think you would like it. I don't like it either. So report that account. Congratulations! I am really proud of you. You used your critical thinking skills. And you looked closely. And you thought to yourself, why would that vegan teacher be eating any kind of animals? And you thought to yourself, it's probably vegan meat. Probably vegan cheese. Probably vegan eggs. Vegan mayo. All of it. And you're absolutely right. So proud of you right now. And I hope that you will be proud of yourself too and continue to follow this channel. And by the way, if you ever feel like you don't have enough exercise, just find some stairs and just go up and down, up and down. That's what I do. When I feel like I've been sitting at my computer for too long, I just get up and move. I call these things muscle minutes. Ever done one?
Check the label, check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, it's okay. Check the label, check the label. If it's vegan, the animals will say, hooray!
Hey you! I think you got a little bit mixed up. No, you're not allowed to eat eggs. You're not allowed to drink milk. And you're not allowed to eat chicken nuggets. You're only allowed to eat the vegan versions of things. Now, in the video that you saw, I think you jumped to conclusions. You saw me eating a delicious looking burger, right? And I think you just assumed that it wasn't vegan, but it was. The bun was vegan, it didn't have any milk in it, and it didn't have any eggs in it. The burger itself was an Impossible Burger, that's vegan. The mayo on there was vegan, and so is the cheese. You see? So vegans can eat vegan meat, vegan mayo, vegan cheese, and vegan anything. But no, we don't eat actual chicken nuggets that come from hurting chickens. Well, hello there. Thanks for being here on my channel. Thanks for being here to learn about veganism, how to be kind to animals and to humans. And part of your lesson, I guess, I'm gonna have to let you know that, commenting on my chest has nothing to do with my message. See, regardless of what I look like, it's irrelevant. Everyone can be vegan, including you. You don't have to be mean. You don't have to be jealous of vegans. You can be just as amazing as we are. You can choose not to hurt animals. With each choice, every time that you're eating, every time you're going out, every time you're spending money on anything, you can do it. If I can do it, you can too, okay? Be nice.
Non aver paura, puoi essere coraggioso, puoi essere vegano da adesso.
Let's follow that vegan teacher on YouTube right now. Let's help her save every chicken, pig, and cow. Let's follow that vegan